Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn about Standard 4 English Grammar. In our previous video we learned about personal pronouns. So today we are going to learn about possessive pronouns. Now let's start. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show possession, belonging or ownership. Suppose this pen. This pen is belonging to me. This pen is mine. It means mine is showing possession of this pen. Okay. Now the example here, the blue dress is mine. In this sentence, mine is showing possession of dress. Is this book yours? In the above sentence, mine and yours show whom the objects mentioned in the sentence belong to. They are possessive pronouns. Okay. We have a table here. First person, speakers, the one who speaks. For the speakers we use mine and ours. Now for second person listeners, the one who is listening, that is yours. Now the third person, for third person, persons, animals or things spoken about which we are talking. So for that we use his, hers, theirs and its. Now the exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. First, the book belongs to Sonam. It is, what will be the answer? Hers, because Sonam is noun here and Sonam is girl. Now let's see the next. The farmhouse on the hill is dash. We go there every summer. What will be the answer? Our and theirs. So what will be the answer? Answer is ours, because we is first person speaker. Okay. Now rest of all you have to do by yourself. Now the next topic. Now let's see the third type of pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. Read the following sentences. You know students, what is demonstrative pronouns? The word which used to point out one or more things are called demonstrative pronouns. This is a ball. These are beds. In this sentence, here are one ball. That's why we say this is a ball. Here more than one bed. So the spelling will be THESE. These are beds. This singular and this plural. That is a toy. And those are toys. That means singular and those means plural. The words these, that and those are used here to point out one or more things. This refers to a ball, this refers to beds, that refers to a toy and those refers to toys. They are called demonstrative pronouns. They point at or demonstrate the items to which they refer. Now the exercise. This is Rahul's book. Please give it to him. Underline the pronouns in the following sentence and write what type they are. So first, this is Rahul's book. Please give it to him. In this sentence, this point out Rahul's book. That means these demonstrative pronouns. It personal pronouns and him personal pronouns. Now the next one. That is a blue kite. It is flying so high. that is point out blue kite. So that means demonstrative pronouns and it means personal pronouns. Okay students, now rest of all you have to do by yourself. I or me. I and me are personal pronouns of the first person. They refer to the speaker. They are placed later in the sentence if we are talking about another person and ourselves. Now Rohit and I play tennis. Do you want to play with Rohit and me? In this sentence you can see here students, I is placed later in the sentence. I is placed after Rohit. To know if you have used I and me correctly, leave the other person's name out and read the sentence. Now the first, Rohit and I play tennis. In this sentence we leave the person's name out. I play tennis. This is the correct. Rohit and me play tennis. Leave the Rohit out. Me play tennis. It's a wrong answer. Do you want to play with Rohit and me? Do you want to play with me? It's a correct. Do you want to play with Rohit and I? Now leave the Ronit. Do you want to play with I? It's a wrong. Now the exercise. Rewrite the sentence correctly. The teacher gave the book to me and Harjinder. So what will be the answer? The teacher gave the book to Harjinder and me. Okay. Sonia and I and Jagan are going to school. So what will be the answer? Sonia, Jagan and I are going to school. Okay. Now rest of the sentence you have to do by yourself. Okay students. Thank you.